Today, we are going to learn the names of 25 farm animals. This is going to be so much fun. Let's go! Turkey,
Turkey,
llama,
llama,
cow,
cow,
swan,
swan,
peacock,
peacock,
buffalo,
buffalo,
sheep,
sheep,
hen,
hen,
pigeon,
pigeon,
dog,
dog,
guinea pig,
guinea pig,
honeybee,
honeybee,
goose,
goose,
rooster,
rooster,
cat,
cat,
quail,
quail,
horse,
horse,
chicken,
chicken,
goat,
goat,
ostrich,
ostrich,
pig,
pig,
donkey,
donkey,
duck,
duck,
turtle,
turtle,
parrot.
parrot.
The end. Thank you for watching. Check out our other animals video. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Till next time, goodbye.